me for my cousin's birthday. What? So get ready with me for my cousin's wedding. Tama na. So right now, I'm putting toner in my face kasi mag-cleanse na ako. Let's put some moisturizer, of course. Oh no, I actually forgot to remove my blackheads. But hindi naman sa husband. So right now, i-fix ko na lang ang aking eyebrows. Like, para hindi siya kalat tingnan. Feel ko magkaka-tears of joy ako later. So like, parang yung noon, nagtatalk pa lang kami ng cousin ko about like mag-married or like magka-someone or something. We even joke about it na baka makita niya lang yan sa Australia kung saan siya mag-work. Which is, yeah, nakikita talaga siya. Hey! Okay. Nabalik ko! Oh no! Ali na. I need to go na. Bye! So, on the way na kami sa barge where my cousins are waiting for me. As you can see, it's raining outside and this is for my aesthetic purposes. So, yeah. So, now we're here na sa ferry. Magpunta tayo sa Davao. Hello guys, marami sa barge. So the wedding was held on Hotel Tropica, and as in, it's super ganda and lovely masyado ang place, especially if you want a garden wedding. Nice na masyado here. So look at the venue. So right now, papunta na kami sa assigned room namin. This is the interior of the hotel. So yeah, we're here. So right now we're having breakfast kasi wala kaming coffee. Actual coffee? No, it's not coffee. This is chocolate. I don't drink coffee. So this is our breakfast for today. I love it. Love it. Love it. Ay. So mag-inis kami sa among bathrobe. In 3, and 2, and 1, 2. Wow! And our robe na. So we're ready na mag-makeup. Okay, bye. Bye. Ay. Morning gown ni Ate. Wow! Ako. Dede. Oh, ako. Yan sa? Saan naman na? Oh, diba? Hi. Hi. Shake hands. Ow! Wala, pinistabilizer ako ang ano. Ewan yung mga tripod. Wow! Hi daw. Hi daw. Hello. Check the documentation. Yeah. Ay, yung ilustri mo na. Okay. Mana may like tayo sa practice. Bandro bandri. Kung ganon. Okay guys, mainis na. Ready for a dress. Ma, balik. Ayan, te. Here you go. Here's our dress. Wait, Abri, sakit. Abri, hindi. I have no bigam, Abri.
Gani, kang ano? AA, di ba cute? Cute.
Maid of honor. Maid of honor. Yes.
Transition.
Transition.
May akong gawa.
Stay lang. Transition. So, mag-ilis na may samo ang dress. So, it's a transition. So, like, 1, 2.
Ay, balik.
Ay, balik.
1, 2, 3.
So, mag-ilis na may 1, 2, 3. We're ready. So, the wedding will start in pila ka minutes. I don't know pila ka minutes, but yeah. I'm gonna so excited! There's the bride. Sure lang, okay ko. I got my bouquet. Isn't it pretty? So, ito yung pika-pika section nila. Ang raming pagkain. Like, super yummy din. And look at that open wire. Isa lang yung kinakain. Pero marami pala yung pagkain sa plato. So, everything is done. And we are here sa reception. Everything is fine. Isa na ulanan me, but it's okay. Because it's worth it. Hi, Ate Wina. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Pero nagdinubutan na ako eh. Hello, vlog. I'm Ali.
Hello, vlog.
Miss Bea.
Si Ate.
Hi, Ate. Hello, vlog. Who are you?
I'm no one. I'm nobody.
No. This is my slayable cousin. She's so pretty. She's the most gorgeous cousin of all. Ang ganda ng reception, guys. Like, look at the lights. So, oh my god. So garden-ish.
Guests who traveled all the way from Cebu, syempre yung pinakamalayo, taga Davao.
Yes.
Pati niya galing taga-Sama. Now the life will be filled with so much love and blessing. No longer boyfriend and girlfriend, but now as husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now give a round of applause for our newly wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Joshua and Archie Patigaya. I know she is so beautiful. Let us now witness the sweetest kiss from Mr. and Mrs. Patigaya and show us a 10-second kiss.
Allah!
And let's count in 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4.
Okay, bro, the food is so good. It looks so good.
Excuse me.
It's so good, right?
I know.
Yes. It's good, right?
Yes, I know.
So, let's eat. We have this soup na I don't know what this is. It's yellow. Ito. Eh? I don't know what this is. But I'm gonna try it. Anyways, bon appetit. Char.
Asa naman si mama ko eh. Lagi ko na.
So right now, pabalik na kami sa kwarto and magbihis kami ng kasi of course naka-long gown pa ako. Kami. So yeah.